Hello everybody! Recently I was browsing in one Facebook group, and in this group someone was asking how to build a banner and put some text inside. I thought it would be a great video tutorial for a beginner, so let's begin. This is what we want to achieve: to have a banner and some text inside which is positioned in the center both horizontally and vertically. I've already prepared the HTML and linked a CSS file which is empty at the moment, and the HTML consists of one banner div which will hold the image. Then we have a wrapping element around these two texts, and the reason why I wrap this with another div is that I want to be able to move both of these texts at the same time. You will see later what I mean. I think it's time to begin. I will start, or let's see what the page looks like at the moment. So this is what we have at the moment. It's not very nice, very different from here. So let's begin to style it. As the first element, we'll start with the banner div. First, I will specify the dimensions. Width can be 800 pixels, height can be 150 pixels. I will also set the background image. Which is one directory up in img directory, and it's called Banner Christmas. I will show you again that the dimensions of this image are 1280 pixels times 435, which is definitely more than these two dimensions. And I want this image to be centered, so we have a very easy rule for this, and it's called background position, because we are moving the position of the background image, and it's simply center. Let's see what has changed. Right now we can move this banner in the middle, and that is very easy, just setting the margin as 0 from top and bottom and auto from left and right. And another thing, we can change the color of text div. That's this wrapping element, and if I change the color to white, it will affect both of the paragraphs. I also want this first line to be bigger than the other one, so let's do this. We can set font size as 32 pixels, for example, and small as font size 16 pixels. Also, it's a good idea to reset the margins of both of the paragraphs, because every browser behaves differently in this. So we can set only bottom margin of 20 pixels, for example. And actually the only thing which is not as in this example is the text. Horizontal centering is very easy. For this we have one rule which is called text align center, like this. And the easiest way how we can move both of these lines in the vertical center is if we use a table display. So this banner will have a display of table, and the content inside will behave as a table cell. Because if we do this, then we can apply vertical align. So let's do it. First, we want to change the display property of the banner, which will be, as I said, table. Then the text display property will be table cell. Now this wrapping div will behave as a table cell, and we can apply vertical align property and set it as middle. Here we go. It's exactly the same. Now I want to mention then that there are definitely more ways how to achieve this, but this is a very easy technique, and I think even beginners are able to work with this. So if you liked it, you can share it, and if you know some more techniques how to achieve the same, you can write them in the comment section. See you later.